guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan. I do fashion videos and I do lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell because by the end of this video, you'll see I be your best friend in your head and you want to keep up with your BFF, right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can become a BFF. We'll be good girlfriends. It'll be all good. So just go ahead and do it. Thanks. Alright, so on to today's video. I wanted to share the new items that I have over at my online store, Not Your Average Mama. For those who may not know, I have my own online store, and the website is shop.notyouraverage.mama.com, and I have apparel for millennial moms like myself. And of course, you don't have to be a mom to necessarily shop at my store, but that's just the name of my store. I'm going to start by showing you guys some of the newer pieces that we have in, down to some of the pieces that I've had for maybe a couple of weeks now. And if you stay tuned in this video, there will be a special coupon code for all my subscribers, everyone who views this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end. So I hope you enjoyed this try on haul. Hope you guys head on over to my store and shop. I'm going to put the coupon code here for you guys to get extra off from my store, because you made it all the way to the end of this video and that we're good girlfriends, we're BFFs, so I want to hook you up, okay? I told you we're BFFs. So make sure you guys use the code, head over to the store to get a discount exclusively for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check down below for all my social media networks. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.